name is Dustin Boatright, and they call me Dirty. And this is my bike check. And these are my bars. I got the Colt Quattros on the Division brand stem. I like it. It doesn't slip. It does pretty good. I just got these Fiend forks with the 26 mil offset. They're pretty nice so far. The first day riding them. I got, what is this? The Kink hub on a Revenge rim, and then BSD tires front and back. They're pretty nice. They're grippy. I got the Fit Savage. Yeah, Savage frame, Dan Conaway. It's pretty nice. I like it. I got these animal cranks, the M Kimbos or whatever, with the fucking daily grind sprocket. Then seal fit Mac pedals. I've had them for a while. They've been holding up pretty good. Then the Fit seat, old school motorcycle.
Butt goes there.
Yeah, it's the tripod on a Fiend post. Division brand pegs all the way around. And I got the Odyssey clutch. Free coaster, that's dirty as all hell, because I'm dirty. It's done pretty good. I got all the guards and stuff except for that one. Oh yeah, and then Fly Reuben grips. With and I got the Primo bar ends. They're real nice. Yep, that was my bike check. I ride for Pedal Action BMX, repping the 113 crew. Stay rad, motherfuckers. Maybe not do the motherfucker.